Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chrysler 300 grille. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off. You will need a few basic tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. These will help you avoid scratching your paint. Having these ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Let's get started by opening the hood. Now, let's focus on the upper fasteners. You'll typically find about 6 to 8 plastic pushpins or screws along the top edge of the grille, securing it to the radiator support. Use your flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool to carefully pry up the center pin of each fastener. Once the center is slightly raised, you can then gently pull out the entire pushpin. Take your time with each one to prevent any damage. Next, we move to the lower section of the grille. You might need to remove a few fasteners from the underbody splash shield to gain better access. Look for any additional screws or clips securing the bottom edge of the grille. Once these are removed, gently check for any electrical connections, such as those for fog lights or parking sensors. Carefully disconnect these by pressing the release tabs and pulling them apart. Finally, with all fasteners and electrical connections detached, the grille should be ready for removal. Gently but firmly pull the grille straight out from the vehicle. Apply even pressure across the grille to prevent bending or breaking any hidden tabs. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the mounting points on both the grille and the vehicle for any damage. Cleaning the area now will make reinstallation much easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.